4,000 hours. That is 240,000 minutes of people watching your videos. When you say it like that, it sounds almost impossible. But here's the thing, it's just math. And once you understand the math, you can engineer your way there much faster than you may think. Welcome back. Today, we're breaking down the fastest, most reliable ways to accumulate 4,000 watch hours on YouTube in 2026. These are strategies based on how the current algorithm works, not outdated advice from 3 years ago. Let's get into it. Let's start with the numbers, so you can see what you're actually working with. 4,000 hours equals 240,000 minutes. Divide that across your video library, and it becomes much more manageable. If you make 10-minute videos with a 50% average view duration, meaning people watch 5 minutes on average, you need 48,000 views across all your videos to hit 4,000 hours. That sounds like a lot, but spread across 20 videos. That's only 2,400 views per video. This math changes everything. You don't need viral videos. You need a steady library of consistent, watchable content. The single most effective lever for watch hours is video length, when matched with strong retention. A 3-minute video with 1,000 views gives you 3,000 minutes of watch time. A 10-minute video with the same 1,000 views at 60% retention gives you 6,000 minutes. That's double the watch time from the same number of clicks. Aim for videos between 8 and 15 minutes. This hits 2 important targets: enough length to accumulate significant watch time and enough room to place mid-roll ads once you're monetized. The caveat here is critical. Longer videos only help if your retention is strong. A 15-minute video that loses 80% of viewers in the first 2 minutes is worse than a 7-minute video with steady retention throughout. Always lead with value, front-load your best content, and deliver on your title's promise as early as possible. The fastest channels don't just get watch hours from new videos. They build a library of evergreen content that generates watch time in the background, month after month. Evergreen content answers questions people are consistently searching for. How to set up YouTube monetization. Best tools for faceless YouTube videos. How to write a YouTube script. These topics have search volume today, and they'll have search volume 2 years from now. Every evergreen video you publish is a 24/7 employee bringing in watch hours. With 20 well-optimized evergreen videos, you can be accumulating thousands of minutes of watch time every single day without publishing anything new. Use YouTube search autocomplete and tools like vidIQ to find these topics before you record. Research first, create second. Playlists are one of the most overlooked watch time tools on YouTube. When a viewer finishes your video and is placed into a playlist, YouTube automatically plays the next video. That means instead of 1 video worth of watch time, you might get 3 or 4. The viewer doesn't have to make another decision. The next video just starts. Organize your content into playlists by topic or series. YouTube Monetization for Beginners. AI Tools Explained. Faceless Channel Setup Guide. When you link to a playlist instead of a single video in your descriptions and cards, you keep viewers watching longer, and that watch time counts toward your 4,000-hour goal. More clicks equals more watch time. This seems obvious, but many creators miss it. Improving your click-through rate has a compounding effect on watch hours. Even a modest increase from a 3% click-through rate to a 6% click-through rate doubles the number of people watching your videos from the same number of impressions. Double the viewers, double the watch time, without posting a single extra video. Go back to your existing videos. If any have click-through rates below 4%, update the thumbnail and title. Test a new design. Sometimes one change to a video you published months ago will double its performance going forward. 4,000 watch hours is achievable for any creator who treats it like a math problem instead of a mystery. Make longer videos with strong retention. Build an evergreen library. Use playlists to keep viewers watching, and optimize your existing content for better click-through rates. Pick one of these strategies and implement it today. Like this video if it helped, subscribe for the full monetization roadmap, and I'll see you in the next one.